Hello, this time I want to introduce about my project Music Library Program. Number one, example of running a program. Number two, algorithm of program. Number three, source file configuration. And number four, source file description. Number one, example of running a program. Example of running a program. My program is first question about data file names. And if you run the program, you will ask what data files you will read. And these pictures, my collection, text file is input, so data file loaded. Prompt is out, and you can know the information of the song when you enter the status. In the My Collection text file, many singers' song and title and path is input. So this index is count first, second, third, like that. And alphabet order name A, B, and Korean, and title and path. Second is prompt and add a song by entering add. The singer's name and the song title can be more than 2 words. This if. Artist IU, enter title printout on 23 and file printing this path. So the file does not need to be specified. Yeah, don't need this file path, but artist title is important. And third, search is enter search to find the song you want. If you enter the AOA and title Simkung-hae, search by the singer name and song, and find index, singers, title, and path. But you want artist search, so artist IU input, so you can search by the singer's name only. Found IU or title. So like that. This is play. Music can be played using index, play, second, fourth. IU Murup is now playing. And remove 6 index. It is possible to delete song using index. It is deleted from the list. This one is saved as another text file. You can save the change in another file. Last, exit, shut down the program. Algorithm of program. It is so important about data structure. So I want to make IT structure and S-node structure and song structure. IT structure is one way, has a name for the singer, and refer to the first and last nodes of S-node, so the head and tail pointer. IU name input, and next is single one way structure, and head connecting S node, and S node is a double linked structure. Next pointer and preview pointer, and song data is pointer. So song is connected, and song artist connecting art structure, and the title is here, path here, index data is here. S node contains the function of the song's two-way connection list, and song point to the artist and has the song title and information, many information. Classify according to initial and store each group as a single one-way linked list. This one is one way. So artist directory, binding, first name index 0, A, and B, and C, D. This one is single linked list. Divide the index of song by size and divide each group into one-way linked list by dividing them into same one. This one is link, and one-way link index directory. This one index directory scale size. Do not use preview field nor song data is connected, and index this one, divide 10, two is remain. Source file configuration. Source file configuration. This is so important. String to C, instructing string to C will include a function that receive input in line unit. A function that is related to the processing of character string or tokens. In library C, I will include functions that add, search, delete, and manage music data, like struct song, int add song function, find song function, remove song function. This C file only about string, compose name, read line. In main C, I will contain the main function and the process command function. Process command function is process the user's command. Buffer is input, int main function. Void process command handled add. Source file description. Source file description. First, I will introduce first, less important things, less important files. First, a string to C. A string to C, I told at a previous screen, return the number of characters in a line. Int read line, while input values and the line, file not finished, save characters in array, and return characters number. Next. Second, library header file. Library header file save library functions and save data structures needed by other file. A structure artist. On previous screen, I introduced about structure. Artist, snode, double linked list, and song is connected. And song is connected artist structure. So artist structure has name and next to indicate an astral structure and head tail pointing to a snode structure. A structure snode. Next to preview point to a node structure. Song pointing to the song structure. Structure song artist point indicating the actual structure. Oh, this is title containing title, path to hold path, index holding index, and plus library functions. Third, main source file. Main CPP's core roles process the user's command in this file. Int main initialize. Initialize means initialize. Hand load, enter file name and save file content. Process command, users input this. Take input from the user to process the action corresponding to the command. Void process command. When repeat prompt as output, number of letters 0 less larger than 0, continue. And comment the first word of the entered letter in command. Command same add, handle add, as if command search, handle search, a total of 7 commands like that. So add, search, remove, status, play, save, exit, like that. As if command exit, break. Save file, content function, and file open, and load file. This one is in a library file, and file close. Handle add, input strdup in title. Same thing, and add song is library CPP. Intended search. This means at the first I say comment input and comparing about add, remove, search, exit, play file, str talk, and convert ASCII code to number, save file to another file, similar to file, playback, remove, save. Next. This part is so important. The main function is in the library CPP. On artist directory, at first I told array of artist directory, binding A, B, C, D like alphabet orders. Take file input and save file by token. If file content break, well, file content is no one break. If you have the content, the file, save name, title, and path by token. Input name, title, path, print, name, title, path. Initialize art directory and index directory. This one. Add function. So very many code. Important thing is find. Where is find? Add artist and find artist and create artist instance and create song instance. So add artist Kim Sang-hoon and title Sejong, path this one, desktop. So input add. So I want to know about status. Status if present, move on to the next output when empty output function. Spread the name out as node and printing song while null is not. Title and root output. Status input and Kim Sang-hoon is output. And search song. I want to know about two cases. A name title and name. Search artist and title. Find song by index. This is rule. Index dir, index divide side. Sideway. PTR as node is point as node. Next. So play 0 is sample pi. So sample media is output. Source file description save. The content is similar to the state. Save, edge save artist, similar to the print artist, and app print app, like that. Save as sample list, this one. A remove function, sorry, I had to save time, so remove don't function. Sorry. Thank you.